Almost there. Oh, freeze! Is it a false alarm? Initiated. Hey Reagan, did you get the backdrops ready? It's gonna be a big hit at the film festival. Yeah, of course. Good, now go get the props.
Miss Holland, you're on air in 5.
What do you mean we have cameras missing?
We're live.
Hi, I'm Lainey Holland, and this is your 5 o'clock news. Move it, lady. Excuse me, we're live here. What are you doing with that? That's a wrap.